I'm not crying. This is just so good.
Oh my god!
Wait until you try it.
Holy moly! Oh my god! This is good. I mean, it's not a meal; it's more like a snack, right? But oh my!
Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Lifetime Travel Mates. My name is Haekyung and behind the camera is no one right now, but usually it's Jordy and together we are the Lifetime Travel Mates. And today we are going to make tteokbokki. It's a rice cake skewers. Rice cake skewers are one of my favorite Korean street food or a snack. The way to make rice cake skewers is very simple, so all of you can make it very easily. There were food stalls selling these kind of street foods in front of school. After school, it was kind of habit to have some of these street food before going back home. I'm very excited and let's get started. Alright, so first of all we need to make rice cake, and we're going to make rice cake with this rice paper. Do you remember when we made tteokbokki? We also used this rice paper and then the texture was incredibly great.
And if you haven't checked the video of how to make tteokbokki, one of the most popular Korean foods, please check the video right here.
Oh, this is so good! Wow! So I'm going to use the same method to make the rice cake. The only thing you need is rice paper and also hot water. I boiled the water a few minutes ago and then I'll pour it over here. So we're going to dip the rice paper and then roll it to make the rice cake. Super easy, right? This time. Yeah, I think 3 is the best. Look at this. This is when you made with 3, and this is when you made with only 2. See, I think 3 looks better. Alright, so the last one. We have only 2 pieces of paper. We're gonna use just 2. Oh, now the water temperature is quite not that hot. So let's hurry up.
Done! Our last rice cake! Yay!
Alright, so now we have all the rice cake. We have to cut them. I think just 2 cut will be enough. Oh, this is going to be very chewy. Yeah, I think this size is enough. Okay, so now we have to put the rice cake into the skewers. We got these skewers from supermarket, wooden skewers. And the size of the skewers shouldn't be bigger than the size of the pan. So we cut the end a little bit, and now the size is perfect for the pan.
Nice.
Let's put the rice cake. Look at this! This is so cute. Maybe I could have cut it like shorter because there's a lot of space here. But anyway. Look at this! This is so cute. Okay, so the rice skewers are ready. and we're gonna have to fry them a little bit, and then we're gonna make the sauce. Oh my god, it looks so good. I don't know how long I have to fry them, but I want it to be a little bit like crunchy outside. So let's see, a bit more. Maybe this is too crunchy. So this round I'm going to fry a bit less. Alright, I think it's almost ready. Let's just flip one more time. Oh my god, this looks incredible. And now we're going to make the sauce. Alright, so the sauce is ready. I think I made a bit too much, but because I get upset when the sauce is not enough. If you want to make it less, just reduce the amount of all the ingredients of the sauce. And we also use the jaggery powder instead of sugar. Of course, you can substitute the jaggery powder with sugar. We just gave it a try this time. They say the jaggery powder is a good and maybe healthier substitute for sugar, but we'll see how the taste is. And we also use gochujang to make the rice cake skewer sauce. If you want to know how to make homemade gochujang, very easy recipe, please go ahead and check the video right here. Alright, so now we're going to warm up the sauce and then pour it over the rice cake skewers. Then we're gonna give it a try. Alright guys, this looks incredibly beautiful, and I'm just gonna smell this. Oh, I already know how good it's going to be just by smelling this. Ooh. Okay, make sure to put the sauce well. Oh my god. I'm not crying. This is just so good. Oh my god. This is incredible. The sauce, the garlic, and the jaggery, the sugar, sweet, and also the pepper and sesame taste coming from the gochujang. The sauce is incredible. So good. And you guys all saw how easy it is to make the rice cake skewer. So please give it a try and share it with your friends or family. I think they will all going to love it. But be careful, it's a bit too sweet.
Wow. Yes. I was gonna say takochi. No, tokkochi. Takochi is chicken skewers. Tokkochi, right? Mm-hmm. Tok. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Wait until you try it.
Smells amazing. Same sauce, not different.
Same.
Same sauce. Let's go. Cheers. Holy. Oh my god. Holy moly. It's chewy, texture. Okay. Oh my god. This is good. I mean, it's not a meal, it's more like a snack, right? But oh my goodness. Oh my god. Good job. Nice.
Speechless.
This is not tteokbokki sauce, right?
No. No.
I think there is some soy sauce here and sesame seeds, and it's a bit sweet. There's some sugar, I guess, right?
Jaggery powder this time.
Oh my god, it's really good.
You know, there's a lot of sugar there. I mean, jaggery powder.
Yeah,
but
still,
but once in a while, it's fine.
it's very yummy. It's like being in one of those street carts in Korea. in the street
Exactly.
And eating. Nice. What else can I say? I think in Korea I tried this with you, but this kind of sauce, this flavor, I don't remember. I think I had it with tteokbokki sauce. Could be?
Actually, the sauce is very similar to KFC, Korean fried chicken sauce.
I was gonna say.
Yeah. Now that I realize that.
Oh my god, why we didn't do this before? This is again a total success. I'm very proud of you. Good stuff. Alright.
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you like this episode, please click like and make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any further episodes. You can also become a member of our channel. If you want to support us more, please click the join button down below. Alright, then I will see you guys on our next episode. Bye! 안녕! 짠! Skewers are very the way to make rice skewers.
It's a bit cheap.
And please check out the video.
Good girl.